mabuting tao, maganda. Oh, hi! Welcome to my vlog. I'm your vlog teacher being Erlina being Basilindon. We will have our window shopping with the bags, traveling bags. Live and alive. I'm here in SM Mikulan for another new day. I love bags. Looking for red. Where's the red? No. 50%? Wow. Sales discount 50%. Branded ni ma'am? Branded? Dili? Mikaela, wow. I love this. 50% discount? 30. Okay, let's look around. Nice. Walay red, ma'am? Red?
Color display lang ma'am.
I love red color. 50% discount. I love this. How much? 50% discount. Okay, nice bags. Oh, this one red. Is this red? I love red. How much this, ma'am?
590 ma'am.
590. Pwede ma-open yung ano? Mahilig ako sa maraming packets. Magaan lang ba? Wow. Ano? Wala na. Yan lang packets niya. I want more. Ano? 590. Discounted na?
Discounted na.
590? Right. Okay, I'll think it over, ma'am, ha? Pero I love it. 590. Mikaela? Kimbell. Okay, so just here, having my window shopping for bags everywhere. Here again. Buy one, get one? Get one? How about there? Hala, oh, buy one, get one. Shoppers, come now. Nice one. Okay. Discount sila. Buy one, get one. So this is my another day of rejuvenating here in Davao City, SM Mikulan. Let's go and tour the super cozy, comfy mall here in Davao, my favorite mall. This is situated in Mikulan. I'm only having one ride. So we'll have our groceries later. We'll tour first at this time. Teacher being Erlina being Basilindon is here in rejuvenating in this shopping mall. I believe there is happiness the moment I entered this area. Mabuhay mga friends ko dito sa Bakkies Counter. Sir, shout out. Mabuhay channel. Mabuhay channel. Yeah. Name, sir. Name. Shout out to your girlfriend. Wife. Name.
Shout out ko sa kong pamilya.
Pangalan.
Si mama na ko, si Amelia.
Pangalan ni mama? Amelia.
Amelia Abad.
Okay. So, sir, pangalan ni mo, sir?
My name is Jan Abad.
Yeah.